How to fix CS2 not launching from Steam and not opening error? For this first step, remove launch option. Open Steam, right click CS2, click Properties, click General option. Under Launch option, delete all custom commands. Once deleting after, come to next step, verify game files. For this, click Install Files, click it, click Verify integrity of the game file and wait for some times. This process will take some time because it's actually verifying the game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully validate after we move on with next step. It successfully validate. After come to next step, disable Steam overlay. For this, click general option. Under general option you have seen enable Steam overlay while in game is there. Disable it. After disable close it and come to next step. Run Steam as administrator. For this you need to right click Steam, click properties, click compatibility and enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. After come to next step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you're having the older version means you need to go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. You need to download both 64 and 86 bit. If you're already having means you need to click modify, click repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit. After completing, close it and come to next step. Open up Stream one more time and click Stream in the corner. Click settings. Here you need to click download settings. Scroll down. Search for clear download cache. Click it and click clear cache and click confirm. After confirm, restart your device. Thank you.